A double chain 2 can be used as the starting chain for a row of double crochets or any other stitch that needs to be the same height as a double crochet. So to do that, you insert your hook into the very first stitch. No starting chain or anything, just insert your hook into the very first stitch of the row or round, yarn over, pull up a loop, so there are now 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both of those loops. Okay, now you can see that there are 2 loops coming off of the loop on your hook. You're going to insert your hook underneath the front of the second loop. So underneath that second loop, yarn over, pull through. There are 2 loops on your hook again. Yarn over, pull through both of those, and that is your double chain 2, which will count as your very first double crochet on a new row.